Hey, so this is going to be a real quick bonus video to show you how to actually add a profile badge to your website. So this is my profile badge. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to go to my website. This is MemberClouds. Okay, I'm going to put it on MemberClouds and I'm also going to put it on my Dear Daniel Dear Daniel Lim page. I'm going to put it under the calendar. So let me do the Dear Daniel Lim .info website first. So let's see. So it's going to be on the sidebar under the calendar, right? So let me go to the dashboard and footer, sidebar, calendar. See, under the calendar, you just go to text, drag it under the calendar, and then you add text at the JavaScript. You just copy it from here. And step 2, choose the one you want. I want the, let me try the black one first. The black background. So let's see. Save. And let's see what it looks like. Refresh. Daniel, and nothing much. Still loading? Maybe it's still loading. Hmm. Is this still loading? Wow. Maybe it's not working. So maybe it's so let me go to while it's loading. Maybe it's loading. So let's look at this MemberClouds one, and I'm going to put it under partners. It's going to be partners. Under partners, I'm going to create a text element as well. Add that. Oops. Make sure it's under text. Save. And make sure that you get the code. Let's see if it works. It's not showing up. Okay, so it's here, but it's not showing up. Oh, okay, it showed up. So it means it should. Oh, okay. So it took some time to show up, and that's it. That's fine. So maybe it's we need to use the larger one. So let's copy this code. Let me go back here, change the profile, save, and this is also. I change this, save. Actually, I think this. Maybe it's going to be too big for this. Is going to be fine, but this is going to be a bit large for this section here because it's really small. It's a 4-column section, so I need to adjust this and I put it under partners. I'm going to remove this. So this is WordPress, by the way, and I have a course on WordPress, and All right, so let's go back to this. I think it's still 4 columns no matter what. Anyway, we'll see. Let's go down. So do you see Daniel limb here? Oh, okay. So it's a bit too big for this section. I need to find another one. Regular 250 pixel wide. I think I'll just use this one instead for this one. Partners, I can change this. Save. Let's see, dear Daniel. I'm just going to go to one of my pages. So I think usually the first page is a bit more stuff. Hey, Black Friday is coming. You to me. Yay. Okay, so let's go back to this, refresh this page, see if it works. Yeah, I see partners, Daniel. What happened to my other? Okay, it's taking a long time to load for some reason. Hmm. So we'll just let it load from the background. But this is a pretty cool thing you should add to your website. You can add it to your blog, your online resume, or website. All right, is it still loading? I'm not sure why it's taking such a long time to load. I need to shrink down my categories. Save archives, display drop down, save recent comments. Oh, okay. So now is pretty much correct. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so now it's showing up. And when you click view profile, it goes to your profile. Awesome. And this is the correct width as well. Awesome. Okay, great. So that's it. Short little bonus video, a little kink just now, but it's all right. We did finish making our badges and putting on 2 websites. So awesome. We'll catch you in another video. Let me know also in the comments what other videos or what other bonus videos you'd like me to do, and I'll do as much as I can. Thanks.